Hey guys, I'm on my hands and knees. I'm working with a light inside of a step that burn out, an old style that would burn out all the time. So let me show you this real quick. So you know the old light underneath of the step, right? Nothing but junk. And then this guy took this brand new Protrade light that I'd asked him to put in properly with a couple sets of screws, and he siliconed it. So I took it apart and I'm gonna put it in, but check this out. You can leave the hole the way it is. It's a low profile light, very small LED, and then a couple holes mounts right up against the side, and you're done. And then you leave plenty of cord in there so that you can play with it. But let me show you one that's already done. So I mounted this one, a couple screws, it's all set. It's all hooked up to a low voltage timer, and it'll never come out. So anyway, Dave Pratt, looking for that problem child, something that I can take apart, fix, and learn by it. So found these Protrade lights, love them, easy to fix, easy to work with, but it just takes a little bit of time. But once you're done, 180,000 hours or whatever the time lot is, it'll make your life simple. So don't go cheap, do it right, and figure it out. Anyway, 714, you got my number. Dave Pratt, I'm out.